helicopters! Same moldings like the Rebel one I already reviewed many months ago. But in this case, the brand is Italeri. In 1/32 scale, the kit number is the 602, the BO-105 police helicopter in German version, the policy, with this registration Delta Hotel Alpha India Yankee. This box is still wrapped, partially wrapped. I open it carefully with its original cellophane, and this is the artist Diamond that I can read, Diamond. So that's a great painting, I really love it. The dimensions of the box, 29 centimeters for shipping ideas, dimensions. 19 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. Let's check the sides of this original box, the Italeri logo with the catalog number. Other model kits, this is a Bell helicopter, another one, this is another BO-105 military version. Same information, made in Italy, sorry. Recommendation for modelers age 10 and over. The same picture, another languages, Italian, German, English and French. Well, let's open the box. It is kind of an unboxing. Let's get everything out. We gotta be so careful because I have some loose pieces that unattached from the main sprue, even the transclear sprue. Transclear parts and windows are in this ziplock. The main windscreen and this other frame. There are only 3 frames, and let's start with the building instructions. The the kit got only 78 pieces plus the display stand I added by my own. It is not included with this metal so heavy neck for this original display stand base from this brand. I love this chrome finishing that it is made in China. But this model kit, as I told you, is made in Italy. This is the helicopter built by a professional modeler. Descriptions of the helicopter in various languages. The sprues, sprue maps. What should be the pieces connected with the frames. But anyway, the building instructions are so easy to follow. This is the original water sticker. A little bit not. Too yellowed, so I have to restore these surroundings. But no cracks, that would be fine. The German flag, no problem. You see that? That's original water sticker for this helicopter version, German police version. Step number 1, assembling the cockpit with the seats, figures, console, instrument panels. The pieces that you should use are number 1 to 22 in the first step. First step is this part and this part, assembling the main fuselage halves with the rotor axle, assembling the cockpit, doors, windows, etc. Step number 2, you have to use the parts number 23 to 38. More details, assembling the main windscreen, the skis, the horizontal stabilizers with the twin vertical fins, the tail rotor, etc. The hook, the main rotor details with the blades, 4 blades, pieces number 39 to 48, that's the step number 3. Well, too many transmissions for the main rotor, and more accessories for the helicopter, the megaphones and elements that the police team need for the searching, rescuing, etc. Step number 4 needs the parts 49 to 56. That's the appearance of the model kit already built, this view and this other view, and the markings, how to apply, where to apply all the water stickers, etc. Well, that's about the building instructions and the water stickers. I describe it. Let's check this great frame with in plastic, white plastic, main fuselage half with the tail boom, the little megaphone, that's so nice, that's so cute, a lot of thin parts, the skis, the cockpit floor, etc., the exhaust pipes, as you see, the seats for passengers, and yes, for passengers mainly. What else we have here? Another sprue with more pieces. This is the other, this is the right side for the main fuselage half. The other megaphone, the doors, the panel instruments, the bulkhead, pilot and co-pilot, or headset. What else? 2 frames. This is another seat for the pilots. The console part. Some loosey little parts, another seat for the pilots and co-pilot. Let's check the transclear parts, so important to us. Look at this, shiny, so shiny and transclear part with its windscreen wiper. Yes, so great. And these windows, be careful with the window, left side and the right side, so clear and shiny. Medium windows and the the smaller ones. Maybe it is for the observations, I'm not sure. Let's check the size for the display stand. I've got to this helicopter. I think it is okay to me. Got it? Let's make a rehearsal. That's good. Great proportion, no problem. That's not too small, that's not too big, that's fine. I got it on eBay, as told you before. Well, that's it for now, for this wonderful helicopter in 1/32 scale. Not a big deal for the decals, but it is a great set for BO-105 lovers, just like me. Thank you very much, and let's go on to the next one. Bye bye.